Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit transfer budget using in-game editor in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So before we start, I made this video is for beginners new into this game. Still confusing how you can create your own tactic, your own formation, and also how you can manage the club like a player or the finance itself. So, welcome to the Football Manager Mobile 24 tutorial. And let's get started. And I want to show you how you can edit transfer budget using in-game editor. And make sure your in-game editor is active. Just tap this and tap the settings button, tap view, and tap the unlockables and in-game editor active and tap confirm. And this is the first this is the first team. Just tap your club, tap first team, and you can see there are yellow button in the corner. This is the in-game editor. So I wanted to show you the transfer budget of this club. I'm choosing Manchester United, tap finance. Currently my transfer budget is this, like 132 million euro. I can change it. Just tap first team, tap edit button, and this one transfer budget. You can add some. This, for example, I'm up my transfer budget until 200 million. Tap to confirm, and let's see the change. Tap finance now, and as you can see, the transfer budget is changed. So please free to try the in-game editor. This is the license one, not a modification. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. Enjoy the game.